What channel? All you're doing? Welcome back. This is like day 2 of whatever we are on. We're done the interior. Let's check it out. So here we are. We are washed, vacuumed, looking very, very nice, if I might say so myself. So now we gotta do is put the rest of the interior back together. Alright, let's do that. I'm gonna start working on the console, get that squared away, because then the seats then go in, and then we focus on the brakes themselves. Alright, because it's a collaboration effort for me to do the brakes. For me to do the brakes, I gotta do the console. So let's get the console in. Yeah. Alright. Hope you guys are doing well. You guys see the pedals are nice and clean. Come out to the doorway. I'm just trying to show you guys what we got working with. Don't wash those batteries on the ground. Those are just there to remind you that we got work to do. So if you're enjoying the series so far, you know what to do. This is the Audi Allroad. Hope you guys enjoy it. It's a 2005 TDI BHW 2-liter all-wheel drive, ready for some action, sitting on some 19-inch wheels. Champagne paint job. I don't know why they did that with the paint job overall though, because some parts they didn't even paint, but it is what it is. Then we got a nice, see those brakes? Yeah, we gotta get those serviced. The air shock, I think, is leaking now that I had time to sit with the car. The rotors look a little rusty, but I was able to clean those up pretty good. You'll see that later on. And overall, it's not too bad under there. We got to pressure wash that. Here comes now the glass, looking nice. I got a window issues on the driver's side, but we'll talk about that later. This side is pretty good, no rust, no holes. Now we're back on the interior. Let's get this done. Alright, I'm trying to work my ass off because, you know, it's warm outside now, but it won't be soon. Get that center console looking all clean and spoofy. Now let's move on to the actual gear handle here. We gotta try to lubricate that, make sure that pull is nice and smooth. Not too sure exactly what I'm using, I can't remember, but it's pretty sticky. Making sure like left sides and the actual teeth are completely coated. Long term, you know, we gotta think long term. Nice and slide. Ooh, yeah, feel that. Alright, let's plug it all in, get it all wrenched down. Took a little while to get these balls to lock into place. There's a tricky position you gotta get them into. You know, do what you can. Patience, patience. Take your time, line it all up. Take your time. I'll be back. Alright, took my time. Now let me get this done. Yeah, so you just slides right in there like that. No real big issues. 1, 2, 1, 2. Put a bolt down. Snug that guy in there. Make sure she stays where she's supposed to be. Yeah, that's the right word to be. Took me a minute to figure it out, but you know, it only goes in one way. Get my hardware lined up. Make sure I find the right screws, or should I say nuts. That's basically it for the